your dimension, but out here, things never go according to plan. Improvisation is a skill you learn very fast. Guess being on my own is just what I'm used to. Look, whatever's going on here, we're gonna fix it.
I thought robots are not your thing.
Not all of them, just most. Like the Emperor, his stupid followers, pirates.
Hey.
Hey!
I want to see how far you can go before I trample you.
Now, I want to see how far you can go. I'm about to find out.
Pretty sure you're me, after all.
Wait, what makes you so sure you're not me?
I mean, come on,
You got nothing.
yeah, I got it.
How many times you beat this guy?
Clearly not enough.
Can I try?
Be my guest.
This is the part where you lose.
Hey, you're my friend. And thank you.
Team? Team.